Is this the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now imagine you are the government. What would you change?
Firstly, myself, I am changing. First is education policy. Second, I am spend lots of money on education policy,
Okay.
health sector, and in infrastructure like the economic development.
Okay.
According to myself.
Okay,
I am
okay, okay,
spend
okay.
lots of my budget.
Okay. You said you want to spend a lot of money on education policy, health sector, and economic development.
Yes.
You want your country to be economically developed. You want health sector to be robust, and you want good education policy so that everybody is educated. And you're gonna need a lot of money to do that. So because you said you're gonna spend a lot of money. Now the question comes to money. Where do you get money from? Because you're government.
We are getting money from
Like GST.
You can take money through taxes.
Yes, sir.
And just 2 points above, we were discussing about the tax system, that government charges a lot of taxes.
Sir, I am provided lots of facility of my people, then they give me a tax.
Good.
That facility.
Only 2% or 3% of Indians pay income tax. Like 142 crore people, only I guess 2 crore people pay taxes.
Because sir, our government policy is not a good way, going not a good way. I am a government, then I am each and everything provide my people. Then they should pay my they should pay tax. वो देंगे सर, उन्हें देना चाहिए. मतलब वो देंगे. अगर मैं उन्हें अच्छा कुछ दूंगी तो वो मुझे रिटर्न देंगे.
And you'll only be able to good them something when you have the money. So which means first they have to pay the taxes, then you would make some changes and give something good in return. But making those changes would you're gonna need some time to make those changes, right? People are not patient enough to wait that you are doing something good. They're like, I paid you taxes, I want solutions immediately.
Sir, because our government policy is very corrupted. Nowadays, very corrupted.
Good. So next point you mentioned is corruption. That you want to do a lot of good things, but your team doesn't. They're corrupted. Okay, we'll come back to this point. Think about corruption. Karishma. बोलेंगे सुनीता जी, मैं आ रहा हूँ घूम के. आप हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बोलना, धीरे धीरे आ जाएगा. आप भी कुछ सोचो कोई एक पॉइंट और उसको इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करो. ठीक है? कौन सा हमारे इस डिस्कशन से कुछ होने वाला है, लेकिन एटलीस्ट हमारे अपने थॉट्स में तो क्लैरिटी आ ही रही है. क्या पता कल लाइफ में हमें कोई ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले जहां मेरी एडवाइस कोई मांगे. एग्जैक्टली. क्या पता कल गवर्नमेंट कोई ऐसी स्कीम चालू करे कि किसी भी युवाओं के पास बेटर आइडियाज हैं तो हमें शेयर करो. शायद हमारे थॉट्स में क्लैरिटी है. ऑब्वियसली हु नोज कि कल लाइफ कैसा टर्न लेगी. हो सकता है कल आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर की सीट पे बैठे हो और ये चीजें काम आएंगी, है ना. वी नेवर नो. करिश्मा, यू वर सेइंग समथिंग.
Government should take action to gain their trust again. But
How to gain again?
That's the question. Government should gain people's trust. How? What do people want government to do?
making changes like on infrastructure, making roads.
And why can they not do that? Like, is government not investing in infrastructure? Or our government is investing, but people are not aware that they're doing.
Government gives a budget.
Basically, what is happening is we only know what is being told to us. You're getting this? We only know what we watch in TVs. We only know what we read in newspapers. And today's media, that's not free. That can also be
They
corrupted.
show us what they want to show.
Exactly. So how will you get the correct information of what government is actually doing?
From education.
From education.
Sir, from education, then we watch the क्या कहते हैं, like a Lok Sabha channel, like a Rajya Sabha channel. They
Yes,
also debate
yes.
there.
Exactly. And now what I want you to do is, in 142 crore people, where everyone has the right to vote, how many of us watch these things? Is what all of you have been suggesting. Is this, Karishma, that you suggested in the very first point. This is also education. Like, government should educate people of what it has been doing. Right? People should be educated enough to understand those things.
Yes.
इंडिया के ऊपर कितना कर्जा था, पिछले 10 सालों में कितना कम हुआ, ग्लोबल पोजीशन क्या होती है, इकोनॉमी क्या होती है. एवरी पर्सन हु हैज अ राइट टू वोट शुड अवेयर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. Exactly. What I have been saying is that you are going to vote. Okay. So today I am standing in front of EVM and I am going to vote a party. Where is my research? What are the points? I was watching this TV channel yesterday on the voting day. I guess that was 5th. I was watching this. A person just came out of the polling booth and there was a media reporter and he asked, आपका मुद्दा क्या था? आपने किस मुद्दे पर वोट किया है? He said, मुद्दा हमें क्या पता मुद्दा, हमने तो वोट कर दिया. हमें क्या करना है मुद्दे का? Let's say if I'm sitting here and you have a right to decide whether I live or I die, I want you to be educated to take this decision.
Sir, according to myself, there are like a voting coming soon, like a voting. Each and every party explain our achievement, our जो भी उनपे सर laws सबको उनको openly आकर हम discuss करना चाहिए, debate करना चाहिए.
Exactly. And this is what Karishma and Geet was saying, that government should take steps to educate people about everything. But here comes another problem. If government, there are two types of government. One who really wants to develop the country, and one government, they just want to be in power. Exactly. Which should not exist actually. So the second type of government, they don't want you to be educated. Because if they start to share everything they have been doing, you're gonna be smart enough to to catch them red-handed. Party. Let's say I have a party, and if I want to win elections, I need to reach people and tell them that I have this. Let's say कोई भी party है मेरी. Let's say कुछ नाम बताओ बढ़िया सा party का. A new name. I don't want them to be running after me. देशभक्ति पार्टी. जागरूक युवा पार्टी. This is a good name. जागरूक युवा पार्टी. JYP. Right? That's a good name actually. Why don't you be in politics? जागरूक युवा पार्टी. Actually युवा बहुत है हमारे इंडिया में. अगर सारे जागरूक हो जाए ना तो हम सरकारें ला सकते हैं.
सर सबसे अच्छी बात.
Let's say there are 4 members in your family. Your mother, your father, you and your brother. They can definitely convince my father and mother for freebies. Because I believe that they are not educated enough. Let's take a general average example. They are not educated enough to take good decisions and to understand what government has been doing. So if government comes to them, if a party comes to them, not government is a very respectful thing. If a party comes to them and say, I'll give you 500 units of free bijli, they're going to be like, that's great. Mother be like, it's going to be really easy for me to save some money, right? She's going to be convinced. She doesn't understand where the electricity comes from. She doesn't understand what debts are. She doesn't understand how the government is going to be in debts just to provide 500 units of free electricity. Because money flow रुक जाएगा. Free का मतलब क्या होता है? Cash flow रुक गया. Right? This is one thing. But they cannot convince me because I'm educated. So if we actually start to ask युवा to be जागरूक enough कि आप मेरे पेरेंट्स को तो कन्विंस कर लोगे, 2 वोट तो आपने मेरे ले लिए, हम 2 आपको वोट नहीं देंगे क्योंकि हम जागरूक हैं. तो 50% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन आई गेस. जैसे आपने क्या बोला कि 50% युवा हैं. ज़्यादा हैं. ये युवा अगर जागरूक हो जाए और ये गवर्नमेंट के बारे में सब कुछ एक्चुअल में पढ़ना शुरू कर दें, अगर अवेयर हो जाए, तो एक्चुअल में हम डिसीजन ले सकते हैं और हमारे फ्यूचर का डिसीजन फिर हम ही लेंगे. अब सो आई गेस युवा कैन डेफिनेटली फिक्स दिस. युवा अगर एजुकेटेड इनफ हो जाए, वो अगर इन चीज़ों को सीरियसली लेने लगे वोटिंग को, तो बात बन सकती है. तो अल्टीमेटली बात आती है एजुकेशन की कि हम लोगों को एजुकेट कैसे करें, हम लोगों को कैसे बताएं. और लोगों से पहले बात आती है कि हम खुद को एजुकेट कैसे करें. मुझे खुद को नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कि कौन सी पार्टी देश में क्या कर रही है.
Especially we are searching lots of things about that our government situation, how many debt of our country, then how many spend of lots of money that sector.
And what has been doing one kind of government? Like if Modi ji is here for like 10 years or 11 years, if Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is here, if Congress, somebody is here, like from different parties, whichever state I live in, I must do my research, I must do my homework, I must see before going to vote, has this party done something for me? Not just what media has shown to me. My research, and where will I get that research? That's another question.
Sir,
आपको वो research मिलेगी कहाँ से?
Sir,
By people. You said जागरूक युवा पार्टी, so I am really fascinated by this name. Now, युवा जागरूक क्यों नहीं है? That's the problem. क्यों युवा जागरूक नहीं? युवा क्या कर रहा है हमारा? गीत.
They are young, but they just don't want to invest their time.
lots of social media platform, they waste of lots of time.
So now we come to the next problem, that is social media. तो हमारा युवा सोशल मीडिया की वजह से बर्बाद हो रहा है. और बताओ, सारे मिलके बताओ सुनीता जी, अब आप बताओ युवा क्या कर रहा है हमारा? इंस्टाग्राम हमारा युवा कैमरा लगा के उसके आगे डांस कर रहा है. So again I'd say that's so we can now divide the education into different part, and this is kind of a social responsibility. right? So people are not they are not educated in terms of social responsibility. They do not understand their social responsibility. तो I guess हम इनको responsibilities में divide कर सकते हैं. Responsibilities of a good citizen. It's this.
Our education policy. Sir, lots of
Okay. So I guess the steps are like justified in this way that people are need. युवा क्यों नहीं सुन रहा है? क्योंकि युवा इस एज पे नहीं सुनेगा. एक बार मटका जब बन जाता है पूरी तरीके से तो आप उसको फिर शेप नहीं दे सकते क्योंकि वो टूट जाएगा. तो आपको शेप देना पड़ेगा अर्ली, जब मिट्टी गीली हो. बेसिकली हम युवाओं को एजुकेट करने अगर हम बच्चों को एजुकेट करना शुरू करें तो आने वाले 20 सालों के बाद हमारे पास एक बेटर जनरेशन होगी जो अच्छी तरीके से एजुकेटेड होगी. क्योंकि 12 साल की स्कूल एजुकेशन, 3 साल की कॉलेज डिग्री, लगभग 2 से 3 साल की मास्टर्स डिग्री, 15, 12 और 13, 14, 15, 18, 20 साल में बंदा परफेक्ट तैयार हो जाता है. तो विद इन 20 years you're gonna create a new generation who's highly intelligent and highly learned and socially responsible. 20 साल लगेंगे हमें अगर हम सब कुछ आज से फिक्स कर दें. तो इसमें फिक्स करने में प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि टीचर्स ठीक से पढ़ा नहीं रहे क्योंकि उनके ऊपर प्रेशर है सिलेबस का. अगर हम बात करें, हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. तो इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से टीचर इतना ज़्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, इतना ज़्यादा ओवरबर्डन्ड है कि वो बच्चों को मजे लेके एजुकेशन नहीं दे पा रहा है, वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले पा रहा है. ये प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो रही हैं दो तरफ से. एक तो गवर्नमेंट जो चाहती है कि एजुकेशन सिस्टम सुधर जाए, वो वहाँ पे ये चीज़ें क्रिएट करती रहती है. एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर्स हमारे जो हैं, एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट जो है देश का, वो पे, हाँ ऑब्वियसली हम वो कह सकते हैं. अच्छा, प्रिंसिपल एक्शन क्यों नहीं ले पा रहा है कि टीचर्स ठीक से नहीं पढ़ा रहे? क्योंकि उसके ऊपर प्रेशर है चेयरमैन का. और चेयरमैन के ऊपर किस चीज़ का प्रेशर है? चेयरमैन इज एक्चुअली फोकस्ड ऑन क्रिएटिंग न्यू ब्रांचेस ऑफ द स्कूल. मेरा एक स्कूल है, मेरे 2 स्कूल होने चाहिए, 4 होने चाहिए, 15 होने चाहिए, अर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. सो as in, I would like you to give an example of that.
Private school students they have a really good knowledge about
प्राइवेट स्कूल्स ना, हाँ, हम प्राइवेट स्कूल्स की बात कर रहे हैं. प्राइवेट स्कूल का जो चेयरमैन है, अगर वो मनी माइंडेड है तो प्राइवेट स्कूल के बच्चों को भी टीचर्स, फिर वो चेयरमैन फोकस करेगा पैसों पे, प्रिंसिपल फोकस करेगा जो फॉर्मेलिटीज होती हैं स्कूल की, वो टीचर्स अपने हिसाब से पढ़ाएंगे. टीचर्स के ऊपर प्रेशर बनाएगा थोड़ा बहुत प्रिंसिपल कि भाई स्कूल की पॉलिसीज ये हैं, ऐसे करो, और बच्चे जो हैं वो अपने में मस्त रहेंगे. कौन टीचर ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझता है कि मैं यहाँ बैठ के बच्चों को ये बताऊं कि आपको एक भीड़ वाली जगह में लाइन में चलना है? Exactly. This is another thing that's happening in this school. And I guess this happens in every other system. जो politics. There is. So this is what is happening in private schools. People are just, they are teachers. Like if you go and ask a teacher, why did you become a teacher? Most probably he's going to say, because of money. Because teaching is a secure job. Because we can get back home. It's a secure job. You're a teacher. But people do not know how to be a teacher. What are the responsibilities of a teacher? What responsibilities you hold when you stand there as a teacher? Because you are shaping the future, the career of like hundreds of students who are about to meet you. They don't know it. So teachers don't understand their responsibility. Again, they are focused on money. They need employment, and teaching profession is like really easy.
If you are a teacher, you have a degree. If you have a degree, you can.
Exactly, and that's when government created B.Ed degree. If you focus on the syllabus. In every field. If you focus on the B.Ed syllabus, I was going through it, the syllabus is really like robust, it's really good. They teach you child psychology in B.Ed. There's a topic, I guess, there's a subject, child psychology. See, in B.Ed, Bachelor of Education, they are teaching you child psychology. But who knows child psychology? Teachers बच्चों को अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछे तो उसको इंसल्ट कर देते हैं कि वो दोबारा क्वेश्चन पूछेगा नहीं. कहाँ गई child psychology? So it's like everybody is focused on just writing exams. They don't understand child psychology. Exam में लिखो बस क्या लिखना है, जो questions आंसर रटे हुए हैं ये आ जाएगा, वो आ जाएगा, और बस हम पास हो जाते हैं और बस हमारे पास डिग्री आ जाती है.
आज की डेट में अगर मैंने
पब्लिशिंग कंपनी में काम किया है, मुझे पता है एकेडमिक बुक्स वाले क्या करते हैं. आई नो दैट.
मैंने ना एक रील देखी थी अभी परसों नरसोई, वो एक स्टूडेंट और मदर कह रहा है आपको ना जूते भी हमारे यहाँ से लेने पड़ेंगे, शॉप्स भी, मतलब सब कुछ. तो लेडी ने बोला कि बच्चा भी मेरा होगा, तुम्हारे यहाँ से लेना पड़ेगा.
सही बात है, वो भी अपना ही दे दो फिर. करप्शन है, मनी इज द प्रॉब्लम. एंड व्हाई? और मनी पे फोकस क्यों है? क्योंकि हम लग्जरीज चाहते हैं, हम एडिक्टेड हो गए हैं, हमारी डिजायर्स पे हमारा कंट्रोल नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि हम स्पिरिचुअली एजुकेटेड नहीं है. एवरीथिंग कम्स बैक टू education. Education is not just the subject that we are studying in school. It is a lot of things like how you behave, how you sit, how you walk,